everyone. We are the Tirachi. I am Joyce Reyes.
I'm Giniel Boho.
I'm Chris Brian Launa.
And this is the objectives of Parallel Port Interfacing Basics Transmission Data Register. Code assembly language instruction that can communicate to the parallel port interface circuit through the data register. The second is use the out instruction to output data to the PPI circuit. And third, verify the operation of the out instruction by executing MS-DOS debug command. And this is the procedure of experiment.
The procedures is install the user port driver to your computer if you are using Windows XP or higher. Number 2, connect the parallel port interface circuit to your computer's parallel port.
And now, open the MS-DOS from terminal Windows. Execute the MS-DOS debug utility. Type A for assemble. Move DX 378. Move DX 378. Enter. And move AL FF. Enter. Out DX AL. Enter. Enter. And this is the output. FF is 15. 1248, 1248. Umilaw po lahat kasi 15. Then, next, create a program that will output the following LED blinking sequence. Gagawa na po ng sarili. Ikaw muna. The same din yung gagawin sa sa una. Ito yung pangalawa.
Ay, Marvin.
Move DX. Three, 7, 8. Enter. Move AL. Move AL F0. Out. DX AL. Enter. Yan. Ito po yung naging output. S0. 1, 2, 4, 8. Umilaw po lahat. Sa 0, wala. Walang umilaw. Yung pangatlo naman. Move 378. Ay, move DX 378. Move AL F Out. DX to AL. Ito yung lumabas na output F. Sa kabila wala kasi isang output lang yung nilagan. F is 15. And now, gagawa kami ng sariling sequence. Nandito si Joycelyn Reyes para gawin ng sequence.
Type A, enter. Just type move space DX 378, enter. Move AL 27 27, enter. Out DX AL, enter. Enter. T, enter. T, enter. T, enter. And the output is the output is 2 7. And then
Nandito si Chris.
andito po si Chris Brian
Para gawin ng another.
para gawin ng another sample.
Type A. Move DX 387. Enter. Move AL 04. Enter. Move AL. Ay out DX AL. Enter. Enter. T T T. Enter.
Yung
And the output is
0.
0. Out.
4-0.
Ha?
4-0.
0. Tapos 4. Ang next na mag-example ay si Engineer Bo.
Type A. Move DX 378. Move DX AL 22. Out DX to AL. Enter. T, T, T. Lumabas na output ay 22. Okay, run. And now, dito na po nagtatapos ang aming presentation. Maraming salamat po.